Okay, what have we got? What have you been up to this week?
Oh, you want me to show?
Do you want me to? Do you want to show?
I'll
It's
quickly
pretty.
go.
It's pretty exciting.
It's pretty exciting. Don't spoil it. So we've just yesterday it arrived. All 3 scales arrived, and
Not
they're
fish.
no, not a fish.
Not fish scale.
Not fish scales. They're a bit bigger than fish scales. I
Mhm.
mean, one of them's probably that size, but here it is.
Show us your Ned.
Show us your what is it? Nude Kelly.
Nude Kelly.
Nude Kelly. Now this
Okay.
one's definitely very clothed.
Very close.
So I've made a video yesterday on this little guy. Well, he's not little, he's 24 scale. But this is him painted up. The first Ned to be painted up of our Hearns series.
Our Hearns Workshop
Our
range.
Hearns Workshop. So let's bring these in as well. These are
So these are resin prints.
Yeah.
That we designed and engineered right here in Australia, and we've got 3 scales, haven't we?
Yeah. You're gonna do a little bit of shuffling.
So
Sounds good.
what have we got?
HO scale, which is
HO,
87,
87
I believe.
scale.
We've got 35th scale for your
35th
tank dioramas.
So that's for tank and military and that sort of stuff.
Yep. And then we've got 24
Four.
scale. So that's
Which
him.
is good for O gauge rail. Is that right? That's 24.
I'm not sure.
I don't know.
I don't know.
I'm just confusing it.
I cars are made in 24 scale.
There you go.
I just build models, so that's all I know. But yeah, he's looking really good. I've just gotten all the base colors done. His arm still works.
It pops on and off, doesn't it?
It does pop on and off, which made it really easy. Tis but a scratch.
Tis but a scratch.
Tis but a scratch. But there we go. That pops back on, so he can be capeless and have his arm down or up, or with the jacket on, he can have his arm up, which is really quite cool.
So have you got more painting to do on that, or is that finished?
No, I got more painting to do on
Is
this.
it?
Yeah, I got to do all the color modulation. Like you can see in the light here, like the shadows on the inside of the jacket naturally. I got to paint those. And same as the folds on the pants and everything. I got a little bit to do left on the gun, like you can see here. It looks a little bit ratty, but it just needs a touch up. I've got all the base
But
colors
Ned Kelly
down.
probably was a bit ratty anyway, right? Would have been all rusty and.
Well, that's what I got to do.
That
That's
means-
another. There's 2
Bit
videos
of
left.
weathering?
There's all the color modulation, so all of the painting I've got left to do on the solid colors, and I'm gonna patina up his
Patina.
his suit. Yeah, because it looks brown, right?
It
But
does.
it's actually like a polished steel underneath.
Made
It
from,
was
made from
just
tractor parts, wasn't it?
yeah, that's right. So yeah, that's Ned Kelly there.
Yep.
He's all done.
Fantastic. And they are now available for sale. So there were pre-orders in for these. These were pre-orders.
Mm.
These will be going out today if they haven't done so already.
Yep.
Next week. So
Today or early
if you
next week.
pre-ordered them, keep an eye out in your mailbox and these should be on their way.
Absolutely.
Fantastic.